Aggressive Behaviors in Male Crickets by Sarah Autry, Felicia Earle, and Lauren Smith. The purpose of our experiment was to examine aggressive behaviors in male crickets. Our hypothesis 1 was male crickets show aggression to other male crickets, and our hypothesis 2 was male crickets show more aggression when a female is present. We used crickets, Arcata domesticus, male and females that are about 6 weeks old, measuring about 1 inch each. Once we got our crickets, we separated them out, males and females. In order to do this, we had to observe each cricket's churchy. Both genders have this. What distinguishes a female from a male is their oviposture, which you can see in this picture. We put all the male crickets into a 5-gallon tank and all the females into another 5-gallon tank. We fed and watered the crickets for about a week before beginning our experiment. As you can see in this video, we marked each cricket by using a cotton ball with nail polish on it and gently placing it onto the cricket without hurting it.
I marked one of these, but I don't know where he went. Oh, it's over there.
After marking the cricket, we weighed each one before putting them into a trial tank. We weighed each cricket by placing the empty petri dish onto the scale and clearing the scale. Then with tweezers, we placed the cricket into the petri dish and recorded the weight. This is an overview of each trial. For each trial, we gave each cricket 5 minutes in the trial tank to get accommodated to the new environment. Each cricket could see the other cricket, but there was a barrier between the crickets. After 5 minutes, we lifted the barrier and let the cricket interact with each other for 5 minutes and record the behavior. In each trial, we measured the aggressive behaviors, which in our graph was shown by 1 fighting, 2 antenna fencing, 3 kicking, 4 mandible fencing, 5 chasing, 6 biting, 7 approaching, 8 retreating, and 9 contact. In trial 2 and 3, we only recorded approach, retreat, and contact behavior. Here's a video of trial 1 with 2 males and 1 female. Here's the graph for trial 1. Trial 1 was 1 female and 2 males. We put the female in the center and then the 2 males on the side and lifted up the barrier after 5 minutes to see what they would do for 5 minutes with each other. This is trial 2, which was with 2 males, and we put 1 on each side of the barrier, and then after 5 minutes lifted up the barrier and watched them interact for 5 minutes. This is trial 3, which was with 1 male and 1 female. After 5 minutes, we lifted up the barrier to see what they would do for 5 minutes. Our results: we found that there is more aggression when a female is present, as shown in trial 1. We also found that there is aggression when 2 males are present, but not as significant as when a female is present. Here is a graph showing the average of aggression from each trials. We can support hypothesis 1, which is male crickets show aggression to other male crickets. We can support this because in the graph, the second to most aggression was present in trial 2 with 2 males. We did in fact observe aggression when 2 males were present together. We also can support our hypothesis 2. We can support this because in the graph from above in blue is trial 1, which was the highest present aggression average, which was when a female and 2 males were present together. We found male behavior to be more aggressive when a female is present, just as 2 previous studies did. Another previous study said that when a female is present, males are more likely to escalate fights, which we found to be true with the most aggressive behaviors recorded from our trial 1 with 2 males and a female present. Our experiment is significant to ecology because animal behavior is studied in ecology. Most interactions with organisms arise from behavior. These types of behaviors can be aggression, courtship, and even paternal. Behaviors increase in organisms' fitness to survive and reproduce. And here are our references.